Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI Beginner series. In this video, we will understand what Power BI is, explore its key features, and look at its major components. Power BI is a cloud based business intelligence platform by Microsoft. It helps you connect, clean, analyze, and visualize data so you can make smart, data driven decisions. Some of its key features include connecting to a wide range of data sources, viewing everything in one place, and a simple drag and drop interface to build dashboards and reports. Power BI has multiple components like Power BI Desktop for creating reports, Power BI Service to publish and share online, Power BI Mobile for access on the go, and tools like Report Builder and Report Server for advanced use. Power BI, you can clean and reshape data, build visually compelling reports, analyze complex data patterns, and fully control the look and feel of your visuals. Plus, you can share them with your team easily. In the next video, we will go deeper into each Power BI component and see how they work together. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning. Thank you for watching.